Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Hurunga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Smartlink Network Systems Limited. What you're watching is a monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart of Smartlink. Smartlink is the ticker name, and these are all the technical indicators and their respective graphs. And we are using these graphs for to do the technical analysis and regarding data. For technical analysis, we have data since 2007 onwards for Smartlink up to 2017 November 18th. Okay. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, clearly this particular stock had reached the current price. Had reached its peak price in January 2008 itself, and that time it was trading at 131 rupees, and today the stock is trading at 108 rupees. 131 and 108, 130 and yeah, you can take a 130 and 108, nearly 22 rupees difference. But the point is, this happened long time ago, 9 years ago. The stock had reached that 130 price, and today the stock is trading at 108, and in the last 8-9 years the stock had been just moving sideways, and somewhere in 2015 again it reached the same price, peak price, but it couldn't get through that. It couldn't pass through that. So, and after that also the stock started stock went down, and then just moving sideways, and again every time it is trying to go near to that particular price 130, but it is coming down. And today the stock is trading. It crossed its both 20 and 50-day moving averages, and it is right now on the positive super trend mode. These are all good, but people who had invested a long time ago in this stock, I'm pretty sure they have not benefited much, except for a few bucks here and there. So that is the trend. This is all because of the sideways movement of the stock, and actually there is no this thing from the stock that there is no strength in the stock to move in the upward direction. The lack of strength is one particular point, which is really forcing the stock just to move sideways, and while away time and money of the investors. So that's how it has been happening. So if you even today, right now, if you look at the relative strength is quite low, and direction strength is low. Stochastics is just above the midpoint, and the fast line is on top of the slow line, and both are diverging. That is okay, but they are just above the midpoint. That's it. They are not even near to the top line. And volume change is constant. After 2015, the volume change is constant, and again after 2016, again the volume change is constant. And momentum is just lying on top of the baseline, very low momentum, and balance of power is just bullish, just the thing, and LRA is supporting that balance of power again. That is also saying the stock is in right now slightly in bullish mode, and and both are in sync with each other. Balance of power and LRA, that's good. But the point is, the stock lacks strength, momentum, direction, and other things, other parameters which are critical, which helps the stock to move in the vertically upward direction. So that sort of thing is missing in the stock. So as per my analysis, this stock is good for short-term trading, but cannot be considered for long-term investment at the moment. So that is the conclusion for the stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.